Windscreen wipers do a great job improving your view when it's raining, while washer fluid helps keep the windscreen clean. Topping up the fluid's easy, but to avoid painful burns, make sure the engine's cool before you start. If your car doesn't have a warning light indicating the washer fluid's low, then check the level in the reservoir under the bonnet. There are other fluid containers in the engine bay, including the radiator overflow tank and brake fluid reservoir, so make sure you found the right one before you start. If you're unsure, check the owner's manual. A washer additive helps remove grime from the windscreen. Some additives come as a concentrate, while others are pre-mixed. Today we're using pre-mix, but concentrate can be a cheaper alternative. Using household detergent isn't recommended because some products can damage your paint. Pour the liquid into the reservoir using a funnel if this makes it easier. Some cars have a maximum fluid level line, but in most cases you can fill the bottle until it's almost full. Close the cap and you're done. Windscreen washers not only help wipers provide a clearer view of the road ahead, it's also a legal requirement to have functioning washers. So keep the fluid topped up and have a safe drive.